In this question, we need to find the equation of straight line parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals 0 and passing to the point 5 comma 4. Here a straight line is given. The equation of this straight line is 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals 0. So we need to find the equation of straight line parallel to this line and passing through 5 comma 4. Now these two lines are parallel to each other. So first let me find the slope of the given line. So my slope of the given line is 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals 0 is. Now how to find slope of the line? By using m equal to minus a by b. Now minus a by b gives you the slope of the given line. So this is a value, this is b value, so minus 2 by 3. So the slope of this line is minus 2 by 3. As these two lines are parallel, so the slopes will be equal. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So since these two lines are parallel, I can say this slope and this slope are equal, and the slope of this line is, we know that minus 2 by 3, and even the slope of this also minus 2 by 3. So the slope of the required line is minus 2 by 3. So slope V is minus 2 by 3 and the line is passing through a point 5 comma 4. Now let me take this as x1 y1. So whenever the slope and point is given, we can find equation of the line by using the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So let me substitute the values. Y minus y1 is 4 equal to slope of the line is minus 2 by 3 into x minus the value of x1 is 5. For 3 shifted this side, so we'll get 3 into y minus 4 equal to minus 2 into x minus 5. Let me simplify. 3 into y is 3y. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12 equal to minus 2 into x is minus 2x. So minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. So let me shift everything this side. So 2x minus 2x becomes plus 2x plus 3y minus 12 minus 10 equals 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 22 equals 0. This is the equation of the required straight line. In this question, it is given that the straight line is passing through minus 2 comma 4 and sum of the intercepts made by the straight line, that is a plus b equal to 0. A is x intercept, b is y intercepts. So given sum of the intercepts equal to 0, so therefore I can say x intercept plus y intercept equal to 0. A is nothing but x intercept, b is nothing but y intercept. So a plus b equals 0. So b can be taken as minus a. Okay. Now, so we know the equation of line in intercept form. Equation of the straight line in intercept form is, the formula is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So but we know that the value of b is same as minus a. So x by a plus y by, in the place of b I'll take minus a equal to 1. So x by a, this plus into minus becomes minus, y by a equal to 1. My LCM is a here, so x minus y equal to 1. So x minus y equal to a. Let me take this equation 1. So this line, so this line represented by the equation 1, this. Okay. So this is what your equation 1. But given that the equation 1 is passing through the point minus 2 comma 4. So here given 1 is passing through the point, which point here, 2 comma minus 4, passing through minus 2 comma 4. So this x value, y value, let me put these values in the equation. So my first equation is x minus y equal to a. The value of x is minus 2 minus the value of y is 4 equal to a. So minus 6 equal to a equal to minus 6. So let me substitute this in this place to get the equation of the straight line. So substitute a in 1. So therefore equation of required straight line is x minus y equal to minus 6. Let me shift this side, x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. This is what your required straight line. In this question, we have a straight line 3x plus 4y equal to 7. And we need a straight line. Which is parallel to this line and passing through the point of reduction of two lines. So the two lines are x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0, x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. So this let me take this as x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0, and this nothing but x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. Now these are the two equations, and given that our straight line passing through the point of intersection of these two straight lines. So first let me find the point of intersection of these two straight lines. So our lines are given. Lines are x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0 and x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. Let me take this as equation 1 and equation 2. Now, in order to find the point of reduction, let us solve 1 and 2. Let us solve equation 1 and 2. Here I'll use elimination method. So x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So I'm using here method called elimination method. So since you have plus and plus, so in order to cancel this x terms, let me change the sign. Here minus. Yes, since you have plus sign here, let me take minus. Here the minus is there, I'll take plus. So plus x minus will get cancelled. So minus 2y and minus 3y is minus 5y. You'll get minus 5y and plus 6. Here we have plus 6 and minus 3 is plus 3 equal to 0. So minus 5y equal to minus 3. So minus will get cancelled. Y equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 5. So once you got y value, either you put y value in first equation or second equation. Either you put in first equation or second equation to get x value. So here I'll choose the first equation. So let me substitute y in equation 1. My equation 1 is x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. So y value already we know. So x minus 2 into the value of y is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 3 equal to 0. So x will get minus 6 by 5 minus 3 equals 0. So let me shift everything that side. So x equal to 6 by 5 plus 3. So nothing means I will take 1 in the denominator. So let me simplify. Here 5 will get here 6 plus 15. So x equal 21 by 5. Therefore, my point of reduction of two lines, point of intersection, will be like x comma y is nothing but here x is 21 by 5 comma y is, the value of y is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now, so now you know the point. Here we know the point. So we know the point, and given that these two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So first let me find the slope. Let us find the slope of this line. So let us find slope of the line. Slope of the line 3x plus 4y equal to 7. The slope can be found by using the formula m equal to minus a by b. So minus the value of a is 3 divided by value of b is 4. So my value, the slope is minus 3 by 4. As the two lines are parallel, so the slope of this and slope of this line also equal. So therefore slope of the required line will be, therefore my slope of the required line is minus 3 by 4, and the point is the point is 21 by 5 comma 3 by 5. Now we need the equation of straight line. So equation of the straight line is, the formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now this is a formula used when the point and the slope is given. So y minus, the value of y1 is 3 by 5 equal to m is minus 3 by 4 into x minus 21 by 5. So let me simplify further. So here I'll take, so y minus, by 1 I'll take here, so LCM value is 5. Here I'll get 5y minus 3 equal to minus 3 by 4, and here also I'll take, let me take LCM 5. So 5, here 5x minus 21. So this 5 and this will get cancelled, and 4 is shifted this side. The 4 into 5y minus 3 equal to minus 3 into 5x minus 21. Let me simplify. So 4 5s are 20, 20y minus 12 equal to, so minus 15x minus 3 minus plus 63. So let me shift everything this side. So 15x plus 20y minus 12 minus 63 equal to 0. So 15x plus 20y minus 63 minus 12 is minus 75. Minus 75 equal to 0. Now here I can take 5 common. If I take 5 common, 3 times here, 3x plus 4 times 4y minus 15 times equal to 0. So if 5 shifted side, so 3x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required straight line. In this question, we have two straight lines which are parallel to each other. We need to find distance between these two parallel lines. The first equation is, the first straight line is 3x minus 4y equal to 12, and the second straight line is 3x minus 4y equal to 7. Now let us compare this with ax plus by equal to c1, and the second equation with ax plus by equal to c2. Now when I compare these two straight lines, we found the value of a equal to 3, and the value of b is minus 4, and the c1 is the constant in the first equation 12, and the c2 is constant in the second equation 7. Now distance between two parallel lines can be found by using the formula mod of c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. Either you can take like, so this formula, or I can take like this, c2 minus c1 by mod of c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square. Both are correct. So let me use the first formula. So here my equal to mod of c1 is what? c1 is 12. 12 minus the c2 is 7 divided by root of a square. A square is 3 square. A square is 3 square, and b square is minus 4 whole square. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So we'll get 5 divided by 3 square. Root of 3 square plus minus 4 square is nothing but root of 9 plus 16 is root 5 equal to 5. So we'll get 5 in the denominator. So 5 ones and 5 ones. So 1. So therefore distance between the parallel lines equal to 1 unit. In this question, we have two straight lines which are perpendicular to each other, and we need to find the value of P. So here my first straight line is 3x plus 7y minus 1 equals 0. The other one is perpendicular to this line. So this is the second equation, 7x minus py plus 3 equals 0. Now two lines are given, and given that they are perpendicular to each other. So let us find the slope of the first line. My slope of the line 3x plus 7y minus 1 equals 0 is, so let me take m1 as first slope of the first line. So m1 equal to minus a by b, so minus the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 7. So my slope of first line is minus 3 by 7. Let me take the second equation. So let us find slope of the second line. 7x minus py plus 3 equal to 0. So let us take m2 equal to same formula, minus a by b equal to minus the value of a is 7 and the value of b is minus p. Minus will get cancelled. m2 equal to 7 by p. So given the two lines are perpendicular, if two lines are perpendicular, then I can say the product of the slopes is minus 1. So my m1 is here minus 3 by 7 into the m2 value is 7 by p equal to minus 1 So let us here equal to minus 1. So 7 will get cancelled. So minus 3 by p equal to minus 1. P shifted there. Minus 3 equal to minus p. Minus will get cancelled. P equal to 3. So the value of p is 3. In this question, we have two straight lines which are parallel to each other and we need to find the value of k. So here the first line is 6x minus 10y plus 3 equal to 0. The second straight line is kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Now these two lines are parallel to each other. So first let us find the slope of the first line. So let me take slope of the line 6x minus 10y plus 3 equals 0 is, let me represent the slope with m1. So m1 is nothing but slope of the first line. So minus a by b is the formula to find the slope. So equal to minus the value of a is 6 by the value of b is minus 10. So minus will get cancelled. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So my m1 is 3 by 5. So let us find the slope of the second line. My second line is slope of the line kx minus 5y plus 8 equals 0. Now let us take m2 equal to same formula, minus a by b minus the value of a is k by the value of b is minus 5. So minus will get cancelled. The m2 equal to k by 5. So given the lines are parallel to each other, if two lines are parallel, then I can say the slopes are equal, that is m1 equal to m2. The slope of the first line is 3 by 5. Let me take 3 by 5 equal to the slope of the second line is k by 5. So 5 will get cancelled. The value of k is 3. In this question, we need to find the equation of straight line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 equals 0 and passing through 4 comma minus 3. So here in this question, a straight line is given. So this is what the straight line. The straight line is 5x minus 3y plus 1 equals 0. We need to find the equation of straight line perpendicular to this line and also passing through 4 comma minus 3. So this is what your required straight line. So first let us find the slope of the given line. Slope of the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 equal 0 is, the slope can be calculated by using minus a by b minus the value of a is 5 divided by the value of b is minus 3. So minus will get cancelled. So m1 is, the slope of first line is 5 by 3. So let this, the value of the slope of this line is 5 by 3. Now, so given that these two lines are perpendicular to each other, the two lines are perpendicular to each other, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slopes is -1, that is m1 into m1, m2 is -1. So the value of m1 is 5 by 3 into, so m2 I don't know, let me take m2 as it is, -1. So m2 equal to -1. Now 5 by 3 shifted there, so I'll get 3 by 5. So m2 equal to -3 by 5. So the slope of the required line, the m2 is nothing but -3 by 5. So here we know the slope. The slope is, here we know slope equal to -3 by 5, and he said the point is the point is 4 comma -3. Let me take the point as x1 y1. So whenever the point and slope is given, we can find equation of the line by using the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus the value of yet 4 comma -3. So value of y1 is -3. So minus of -3 equal to the m is -3 by 5 into x. The value of x1 is 4. The 5 shifted this side. So 5 into y, minus and minus plus, I'll get +3 there, equal to -3 into x minus 4. Let me open the bracket. 5 into y is 5y plus 15 equal to -3x. So minus and minus plus and 12. So everything let me shift this side. So 3x plus 5y minus 15 minus 12 equal to 0. So 3x plus 5y plus 15 minus 12 is plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required straight line.